Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp backups from Google Drive and internal storage on phone. First of all, let's delete WhatsApp backup from internal storage. So go to your file manager and go to internal storage and open Android folder, open media folder, open WhatsApp folder, and here open databases folder, and under database folder you will find all of your WhatsApp backup files. Now select the file that you want to delete and just tap on delete, and the backup file will be removed from your phone. And now to backup WhatsApp from Google Drive, go to your Google Drive and tap on this hamburger menu and tap on backups, and here you will see all of your WhatsApp backups. Now just tap on this three dot next to the specific backup that you want to delete and just tap on delete backup, and your backup will be deleted from Google Drive. So this is how we can delete WhatsApp backups. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.